Students, today we will study them. Story A Foolish Stag in English for Class 6. You can download our app Maqbool Academy from Play Store. Link present in description. Once, a stag was very thirsty. He went to a pool for drinking water. The water was clear, and he saw his own reflection in it. When he saw his beautiful horn in the water, he was happy to see them, horns. He admired them, but he was sad to see his legs. Suddenly, he looked at a pack of hounds running toward him. He ran for his life. His legs soon carried him far from the hounds. Unfortunately, his horns were caught in a bush. He struggled hard to free them, but could not. In no time, the hounds reached him and tore him into pieces. Morale? All that glitters is not gold. Follow us on social media. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank for watching.